Good evening, traders. I hope all of you have had a very good weekend and are ready for the week's trading sessions. This is a market analysis for 25th of July 2022. As of this moment, as we were discussing from a week ago, that the short-term context is longs, and it stays the same at this point of time. The short-term context is longs. The trend on a short-term basis is to the upside, and I still do not see enough of selling volumes coming in at this picture to for us to even take a positional short decisively, and it is futile to try and catch tops and bottoms. As I keep saying, sure, on an intraday basis, these pullbacks can be traded depending on the trader's scalping style, and if they are an option seller closer to expiry, this pullbacks can be used in a good way to sell call options. But again, on a short term basis, on a positional basis, or as an option buyer, you have to look for long trades at this point of time. Now moving on, for if I look at the markets from an intraday perspective for tomorrow, then I see that if I want the area of 16,710 to 734 at this point of time, this particular area that I have marked in yellow, is where the maximum positions, maximum volumes were transacted on Friday. So if we see a breakdown or price going below 16,710, then with a stop loss of 16,760, which is around 760, which is Friday's high, one can take a short trade with initial targets of 16,616, which is Friday's low, this area. Between this, taking any trade within this area would be venturing into the extremes of guesswork here with no viable technical point, to be honest. So that is not recommended. A breakdown or a rejection to this level can be a very good location to put a high probability short trade. If I look at the long side now, once we break 15,760, then even to the upside until 15,895 to 920, there is no good old seller zone, and there is no location where a lot of selling was done in large sizing by institutions for us to gauge any zone. So 16,895 to 920 is a next reference. Again, on an overnight short-term basis, don't expect this level to be hit on an intraday basis itself. But for that, the key is that we need to trade above previous day's high, and I would be looking at order flow for signs of continued buying. To the downside, I see 15,580 to 15,616 as a very good location. As I said, only below it do we have chances of a deeper pullback, but until then, this is the range. We can see some profit booking coming in, but again, this is the range that I'm looking to play on an intraday basis. When I look at the chart of Bank Nifty, and again, honestly, even in case of Bank Nifty, there are again no uh, higher time frame references anywhere nearby, at least until 37,300. So it is not wise to look at those levels right now. So if I have to look at Bank Nifty on an intraday basis, then the reference that I have in my mind is 36,440 to 36,530, which is where the largest buyers of Friday are present. Once they start giving up or we start going below that, is when we can see a pullback, at least till again till Friday's low would be initial reference 36,100 levels. To the top side, before putting on any long trades, I would wait for previous day's high to be taken out, which is nearby. This somewhere indicates, if I do a comparative analysis of both the indices, Nifty versus Bank Nifty, then as of this moment, Bank Nifty is a stronger one compared to Nifty. So any longs in BN would be a good opportunity compared to Nifty. And if it is short, or if a trader wants to take a position expecting a range bound movement based on the reference context I shared, then uh, Nifty would be a better option than Bank Nifty at this point of time. So as I said, the short-term trend is long. Don't again expect Nifty 1500, Nifty 1400, sorry, 15,000, 14,000 at this point of time. That is not something that I am expecting as of now. There isn't simply enough volumes built on the upper side for us to come to such a plausible conclusion at this point of time. So it's a wait and watch scenario. Play the intraday pullbacks by all means. That is completely fine. Only on a short-term basis. When such a change in the positions, a change in the volumes come in, I will let you know. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section. Please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel and join my Telegram channel where I share live market updates. The link is given in the description below. See you all tomorrow bright and sharp. Thank you.